Make sure to check out my channel for more videos just like this. What is going on, people? It's your boy MrBucketlist, and here we are today at Walt Disney World at this restaurant, Tiffins. Now, as far as Tiffins, this is one of the signature restaurants that they have in the Animal Kingdom. It's really expensive and it's unique type food, so let's check it out. Now, this will be a quick review. I'll just go ahead and do a little walkthrough before I actually get to the food portion. I will say that the inside of this place is really nice. It's really relaxed. You can barely tell that this place was extremely busy, but it was, like I said, really nice and relaxing when you get inside, nice and quiet. And then as far as the actual service, the service is really good as well. My guy's name was Sean. He was an older gentleman, and he was really cool, really laid back. And then I also saw one of my old coworkers from my internship. He worked there as well, a dude named Matt. But other than that, like I said, the restaurant itself was really nice, not bad. So as far as the food, I'll tell you right now, I got an appetizer, an entree, and dessert. And then it also came with some free complimentary bread. Now the bread itself was decent, but the sauce or whatever it came with, it was molasses and vinaigrette or something like that. It was terrible. It was so sour, I could barely stomach it. But like I said, the bread, it was complimentary, so I didn't actually pay for it. Now, as far as the appetizer, what I ended up getting was the charred octopus. I've kept hearing it was really, really good, and it actually was. The texture was different, unique, but it wasn't like gummy. It was had a really good taste to it, and that orange little sauce they have was really good. And then for the entree, I ended up getting the whole fried fish. Now, this literally is an entire fish, so from head to tail or fin, whatever you want to call it, deep fried. And I mean, as far as the actual fish itself, it was nice, it was tender, it was moist. It was literally some of the best textured fish I've ever had. And now, as far as the actual breading that they had on there, that was really good as well. Amazing. Now, the one thing I did not like about the actual fish was that, of course, this was a whole fried fish. It had bones in it. So, I mean, I had to just keep spitting bones out over and over again. But as you can see, eventually I did get through it. And so, I mean, like I said, it wasn't bad. And then as far as the actual dessert, I pretty much got this is called the Lion King, which was like a cheesecake type thing, little brownies and stuff. But like I said, it wasn't bad. It was good. Now, like I said, this is going to be a short review. Pretty much, I'm sure you all are curious, is it worth coming here? I'll tell you right now, for just for myself, I end up eating here and it ended up being after tip, and I didn't leave a large tip because I paid so much, but after everything, it was about $85 for one person, and I didn't get like any drinks or anything like that. I just got water. So be prepared. If you're going to go here with your family or whatever, this place is extremely expensive, and when you leave full, I mean, honestly, you may not. Thankfully, my fish was so huge and so packed, I actually did leave full. But if you get something else, you may not leave full. So just understand that you're paying for the experience, you're paying for the brand, you're not necessarily paying for the fulfillment. But like I said, for me, I would say maybe try it out. There's a lot of different restaurants around the Walt Disney property, so I mean, there's other places to go. But definitely just maybe try it out if you get the chance. If you don't, you're not really missing too much. So like I said, that was just going to be a quick review. I just want to let you all know about Tiffins. Like I said, to me, I enjoyed it. I liked it. I really liked the octopus. That was really good. The fish was cool to look at, but it was just kind of different to eat. I'm going to continue to do more just quick reviews of different dining and restaurants. So like I said, definitely check out my channel and make sure to subscribe for weekly tours, reviews, and updates. See you soon. Peace out.